Hey everyone, welcome back Map Magicians to this 13th tutorial. Today we're diving into Geolayers3 in After Effects to create smooth transitions between maps. Whether you're working on a documentary, travel video, or any project that involves maps, this tutorial will help you create professional-looking transitions. Let's get started. First, open After Effects and create a new project. Once you have your project ready, let's add Geolayers3. To add Geolayers3, go to Window and then Extensions, and select Geolayers3. Now that we have Geolayers3 open, let's set up our first map. Click on the Create Mapcom. Set the dimensions and duration of your composition according to your project requirements. I'll go with a 1920 x 1080 composition for 30 seconds. Next, search for the location you want to animate. Let's work with Grease and draw it. We'll use this color and add glow effect. We'll add CC vignette so Grease will pop up more. Awesome. Now let's adjust the zoom start level and set the keyframes. Then after the animation duration 6 seconds, in my case, I will set up the end animation keyframes. Great! Now let's add our second map to transition to. The most important thing in this step is to link the new map to the existing one. I will show you what I mean. Let's create a new mapcom exactly as we did when we started. But this time we will choose a different style. Make sure no layer is selected, then click Create a new mapcom. And here where it says Link View, we make sure it is linked to our initial mapcom, in my case Grease mapcom. Click Next and choose a style for the new map. I will go with ESRI and choose National Geographic. We'll do the same and add 2 more mapcom, ESRI World Imagery and Light Style. Our country disappeared. We just need to drag it to the top layer in our timeline. Now to transition between maps, we need to play with opacity. Click on the first map and bring up the opacity or transparency by click on letter T on your keyboard, then click on the stopwatch and set it to 100%. After 1.5 seconds, make it 0%. Then copy the keyframes and go to the next mapcom. Bring up the opacity and make sure the current time indicator is exactly where the first animation finished. Then paste the keyframes and do the same for the remaining mapcoms. Sweet! Now let's finalize and see what we got. Looks great and very captivating animation. This type of animation can be used as well to transition from the past by showing a black and white map at the beginning and finish by a colored mapcom. So we need two mapcoms. The first one to be black and white. The way we can do it is selecting our mapcom and then go to Effects, then Color Correction, and then click on Lumitri Color. Click on Creative and choose Monochrome. There are 3 options. Find the best one to your animation. Then now we need to work on transparency keyframes. Now look at this animation. It is bringing the present from the past. You can use it to present the political or geographical changes. And by the way, since we used the Lumitri color, it is important to mention that you can use it to stylize more your mapcom and give it some personal touches. Play around these different options. You will find some cool styles and colors that will enhance the quality of your animation. Hope this helps, and we are done with today's tutorial. Coming up next, we will learn how to draw and use arrows in GeoLayers. Looking forward to it. Thank you for your support, and see you.